My proudest moment working at Veeam is as a salesperson when we won deals against competitors. Other than deals, I'm very proud of my company and product when the customer, also partner, shows their interest and agreement about our vision and strategy.
I would say continuous willingness to learn, to go both beyond an average, and also the open conversations that we are having together. Once there is something that we need to discuss, I don't have to be afraid to go to anybody to ask for the help. And this is another huge benefit that I am proud of to have at Veeam, that everybody is really willing to give the helping hand to each other once there is this need, and this is making Veeam a great place to work.
I am proud that we delivered year-on-year growth last year, despite the challenging time we had. The pandemic came as a surprise to everybody, and we had a very, very tough first half. Instead of giving up on ourselves, the team actually pulled ourselves together, and we even delivered a record second half result. In the end, not only were we able to demonstrate year-on-year growth, but most importantly, the whole team stick together and nobody gave up.